Amakosi fans, you see this season, ne? You see this season, ne? Let me keep quiet. Talk is cheap.
Guys, as a Pirates fan, I'm very happy for Kaizer Chiefs because, guys, once I see Kaizer Chiefs fans celebrating, I just know things will go well for Orlando Pirates. That one I know. Once you see Kaizer Chiefs fans celebrating, just know things will go very smooth for Pirates. So for now, I think it is confirmed that we are taking the league. And besides that, we did not need today's win because of, obviously, we have many competitions to compete in. You see, we have MTN 8, we have CAF Champions League, which Chiefs can only dream of. And then we still have Betway, we still have Black Label, we still have many things to compete for. So guys, I think for now, let's just relax and let our neighbors enjoy the moment. You see, so I think it is just obvious, guys. Once Kaizer Chiefs fans bale happy, just know everything is gonna end in tears. So Makosi, siyanijabulela bafethu.
Ebafethu ngimele la kule crown.
Hayibo.
Ngimele bajimbosi.
Afethu.
And ngimele aba outside ngincanywa no. Akekho umuntu ongalimele ngimele no.
No, Chiefs ya better. We are cruising nicely. Chiefs is dangerous. Le kana la re fa Pirate le Sundowns di tlhakane. Game e tlang ya Saturday re fen Sundowns no. Na ibile na ke re Sundowns ile go ra pele before Fitla Stadium. Tawai.
Oh, mina ngivele kahle. Mlungisi. I support Kaizer Chiefs, fix me. I need to ngibe camera friendly. Oh yeah. Sanibonile ukuthi abafana bekhosi benze bafethu supporting the biggest team in the world. It's not for the weak. We remain unshaken. Asitatazeli. Isowethu simele. Yezwa, simele yithi esifihle ihlazo lase Soweto. Kaizer Chiefs, the biggest team in the world. 3 points. More than 1 goal. Bebethini ngifuna benzini khulumani nonke hayi yakhuluma lo hayi kwenzala lo hayi bazokhala lo hayi uzobushaya heart attack lo hayi uzobenza Kaizer Chiefs hayi uzombulala Kaizer Chiefs hayi Kaizer Chiefs uzombulala ngenjabulo sikwilento ye league. We are focused on the league. That's what we do. That's who we are. But ngibone sengena umfundo Vilakazi nomdushabalala lapho siyawina bengathi ngena uNeymar noMessi yabo uyiBarcelona iwina mase umusa ubona uMessi noNeymar bewomapha uvela ubona ukuthi nizodliwa ke la namhlanje consolation asiphele moya. We remain unshaken. Asingadidiswa ama tournament amancane. Asingadidiswa I-league, major trophies, big club, big trophies, not asiphazamisi bafethu sifocusile dilane nenkinga zenu ngiyabonga.
Hayi bafana yabona ulangelihle phili ayungenhla kakhulu umalume kakhulu yazi player ulibona ngani ukuthi limnandi even though team ingaperform exceptionally well, he's that spark on the team that's not performing quite well, especially in the first half, but really showed ukuthi ungenhla kule game le, you know, always avails himself as a passing line, always willing to take on players, always willing to drop deep and collect the ball and link with other players. What a performance by this boy. Intwana izoba grand. Intwana izoba grand. He just needs to settle lapha kwiKaizer Chiefs. Umfana umalume kakhulu. Umfana umnandi, umfana uyalazi, and bangabe uyalazi ayikho into esingayenza, and uPhili is one of those boys abalazi ibhola. And I mean, you can even check the goal that was scored by Luke Bartman. Aviator is at the center of that goal being made. I mean, ipass ethola uSolomon iqhamuka ku-Aviator. Umkhipha kanje, ushaya iyo i-cutback, and then Luke Bartman finish. Great display by uPhili, man. We are patient with the boy. We know ukuthi umnandi, so we are patient with the boy. Sundowns is next. So best call.
brilliant response. After the weekend's result, we needed a win. Especially going into the weekend, we needed a must win. So brilliant response from Kaizer Chiefs. Our first half, there was nothing. Nothing to talk about first half. Very, very flat game. But second half, at least we came alive. When we turned over the ball, quick passing. Sure, goal, 1-0, Batman. Quick. That's what we need. Transition, we punish. And defensively, good work from Miguel today. Sorry. Miguel and Kunika, defensively, centre back pairing, brilliant work. You saw Ox. Instrumental in midfield, break down everything. Ox and Teto. Maboa also had a good game. Ndlovu as well came on. Defense splitting pass. But to pull a window. Ndlovu. No, good performance second half. Like I said, first half, not much to talk about, but second half, brilliant performance. Peely, whenever he gets on the ball, looks dangerous. Taking on his man, very positive play. Positive result going into the weekend. Makosi, well done. I was nervous about this game, Skukune. He said 3 cards. I was nervous, Mara. Well done.
Kupholiwe. Akutazelwa kupholiwe.
Eman. Emathunga eman. Ay. Oh.
Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wenkosi uthi bapha abanye. Uthi inkosi basele empini. Kodwa wena usekhona. Engathi ungabuka emuva bapha abanye.